net turban head wrap tutorial. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Tech Beauty. Yes, learning time my people. This is net material. Net, you see, this material is called net. Very light material. That is why they call it net. Okay, please just focus. I want you to give me your attention. Attention, please. Attention, please. Okay, the reason I want you to give me your attention is, if you did not give me your attention, you will not learn anything from this video. Let's start with the packing of my hair. Yes, we are going to tie turban head wrap. Yes, using that net. So you see the way I do the donut. In case you have like this braid, just open the middle of the braid and wrap it round for you to have that knot at the middle of your head. Just wrap it round and use your hand to press it. Okay, my people, you see this cap I hold for my hand. This cap is what I normally use to cover my hair if I want to cook or if I want to sleep. Okay, you see this one I have on my hand is satin. Don't use it. You see the way I do that my finger? Don't use it when you have braids under your head, except if you don't have braid. You will put that one inside before you use this cap. Okay, we are learning with this video step by step. So this is the first process, how you prepare yourself before you start doing your head wrap turban nets. Okay, now I cover my hair, and always use black to cover your hair. Use black. You know why? If you use another color, even though you are using a blue net, red net, any color of net, if you use any color, that color will give you headache. If you have black cap like that, it's more better. Okay, now this net, the yard is 5 yards. Then I divide it into the measurement. You see the way I cross it at the back? I cover one part of my ear. I open the other part of my ear. Do you see? The other part is open. Now I want to use the other one coming from back to cover the other ear. With that, I will have crossing at the front. Okay. I hope now they understand though. We are just taking the thing one after the other. Okay, so we are going to do it cross until the net finish. So you take it and cross. As you are crossing, use the other hand. You see the other half of my hand is spreading it. Use the other hand to spread. Once you cross, you bring it from the back, open your hand, put it under your armpit. I decide to talk on top of my video because of the noise I normally have at the background. You know, say this my house. We many for this house. So sometimes if you are telling them stop talking, you cannot just mute people because you want to do video. That is the reason we have option of talking on top of the video. Now that one I save me. Oh. Okay, my people, please try and focus your eye and see the way we are wrapping it. Wrapping this turban. You can use any color. I have different color. If you want to buy this net, any shop, any material shop, you can get this net. If you enter Instagram, my people, this is what is trading. Even all those big men wife, all those king, not like our Oba of Benin wife. Some of all these Yoruba king, I don't know how to say it. Some of their wife, I say they all Olori Nenemi, and they are using it as well. So it's very unique, this head wrap. You can use it when you are going to church. You can use it for any of your outfits, and it's good for all age group. Try and learn it. It's very unique. Once the material finish, you see the back, you use pin. You need pin for this industrial. Use pin to pin it. Where the material finish, use pin to pin it, and make sure the back side you use your hand to observe the space that is open. Use pin to cover it and pin it down. This head wrap is very easy. In case you don't like this head wrap, I have different unique style how to achieve it on yourself, by yourself, on my YouTube channel. Or in case you want to have fun, because I have Facebook, in case you are watching me from YouTube, we always do live on Facebook, teaching live direct. You understand? Different style, simple style, 3 minutes gele, different type of gele, elastic rubber band gele, rose. We have different rose, Rufus, different name. In fact, my people, follow me for Facebook, follow me for YouTube, follow me for everywhere. If you don't get patient to follow me for Facebook, go to TikTok. I have fast video on my TikTok. Follow me for my Instagram, all my unique pictures of my handwork, makeup, and gele. They are on my Instagram. YouTube, in fact, I get more than almost 500 video. It did my YouTube channel. Go and learn. This channel is all about learning. Operation Do It Yourself. In case you are wondering where I based in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your events. I'm available to travel. I will give it to you the way you want it. Makeup, I will give it to you the way you want it. The lad one, natural one, without eyelash, with double eyelash. Anyhow you take one time, I give you. Any head wrap, I did. Traditional bridal hair, I did. Okuku, any tribe, call me for your events. Okay, my people, before I move further, you see the way I'm pressing it. So after you use your pin to pin it round so that to secure the so that may not lose, then you pin her. You use your hand to press so that the shape will look so unique. What do you think, guys? It's very easy to achieve on yourself. Yes, so thank you everyone. This is the final. I am super excited. Okay, let me go back to my own before this video finish. Yes, Mona patronize me. I dey sell makeup product as well, and I sell oil perfume. My number is there in case you want to contact me. My number is in all my social media. You know, my people, it's not easy to all this English. It's not easy. You see my number. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Please don't forget to leave your comment down below. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let me put my music. Bye.
Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go.